Daddy.
So the problem with going to a place like this on a Saturday, on a beautiful Saturday, is the parking lot by the falls is full. So I asked the lady on the way up, well, where should we park? And she said, down by the beach. I'm like, okay, how far is the walk? 1.5 miles each way with these jokers.
Pray for us. Here we go.
What do you got?
Just found some trash on the trail, and this is the perfect opportunity to teach our kids the importance of picking up trash and throwing it away and taking care of God's earth. So that's what we're gonna do.
Trash.
And what do we have to do with trash? That's right.
All right, let's pick it up so we can throw it in the garbage.
But why do we throw it in the garbage? And this is God's earth, and we want to make sure that we take care of it and that it's clean. That's right.
The camera.
All right, so we got to go throw that away. What do you hear?
I hear the waterfall.
We're getting closer.